Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your dead battery in your key fob. So first of all, I got my screwdriver which I'm going to be using to remove the dead battery. First you want to open up this design, bring out the key fob itself. So now I got the key fob out, and to open it, I'm gonna open here like so and bring this out. Now with this key, even if the battery is dead, you can still get into the car. You have enough juice in here to start the car, and with the key you can still open the doors. So with your screwdriver over here, you got two small openings, so you have to be careful when you prime it. So I'll do this like so. So you want to be careful when you're opening it, so not to damage anything inside any of the electrical component. So when you open, you're gonna find the compartment like this. Do not touch this part, just set it down. Stay with the screwdriver and you can prime this over here. Okay. Now I got my replacement battery. So now once you got it open, take your replacement battery and I always want to check for the code. Make sure it's CR2032, and you want to place it gently like so. Make sure it's sitting very well. Take the other half and you want to secure it firmly. Make sure it's secured firmly like so, and then got the keys. And there you have it, and that's how you fix the battery for your key fob. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like and follow button. Bye bye.